Hi, this is Rebecca with Made Central, and we've been going along and creating different group types for our templates. Next up is customer job campaign. And what that means is I can create a template, either email or text, that can be used for job campaigns only. So you ask, what's a job campaign? A job campaign is going to allow me to email or text all of the clients scheduled for a particular day. So let's go ahead and get one set up and do a demonstration. Okay, I went over to Company, Templates, and I'm going to create a template. The template group type is going to be Customer Job Campaign. And again, I have the opportunity to select email or text message. I'm going to want to name my template, have a description for it. This is all for internal purposes. If it's an email, I've got a subject line, and I also have a from and reply to section. Again, this is if you need the email to get sent from and the reply tos to go to a different inbox versus what your standard global setting is for your company. So I'm going to just take a moment and create a new template. So I've gone ahead and created a template, just going to be about late start due to traffic. So I'm going to create this as an email, and then I'm going to also create the same one as a text. So I have both options available to send to my customers via a job campaign. Save the template. Next up, I'll create a text one, and then we'll go over to our job campaigns so we can see what that looks like when it's ready to send. One thing that I wanted to show you, since I am planning on creating the same template but just in a text form. So I just created that template so I can modify, search by modified. So this is going to be the last one that I just modified. So I got that pulled up to the top of my list here in my templates. And you see I've got an actions button over here. I can go to actions and I can actually copy this email template. It's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to make a copy. I'm going to confirm that yes, I do. And what this is going to allow me to do is it's going to allow me to just make a couple setting changes and I won't have to fill in the rest of the information again. Okay, so I'm going to search for my new copy of Late Start Due to Traffic. I'm going to head over to my copy here. And I'm just going to make a couple of changes. I'm going to change the description name. I don't want it to be called Late Start Due to Traffic Copy. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to text message. I'm going to change my medium to text message. You can see here it's got my description. And in the body of the message earlier, I had told them in the email to contact us at the office. And this, I'm just going to change it to tell them, please reply to this text with any questions or updates, and just going to save this template. So now all I had to do was make a couple of changes just by copying an existing template. So now I've got this available in text message form and email form. So we're going to head over to our campaigns. This has gotten saved for us. So I'm going to company campaigns, and this type of template that I just built is for my job campaigns only. So I'm going to go ahead and select my job campaigns. It gives me the opportunity to select the date. So we're going to pretend like this is tomorrow morning. We get to work. There was a bad accident. Traffic is terrible. So teams are going to be late. So I'm going to select job campaigns. And you can see here I've got some clients that have a cell phone number and I've got a couple that have email addresses. So in this example, it's got all my customers selected. You can see here I've got one without an email. But you would just go ahead and generate email or text and you can select the medium. So again, I've got my email. I'm going to say late start due to traffic. That's my email template. If I wanted to send the text, I would change the medium to text message, and I'm going to select my template for late start due to traffic, and it's going to have that default there, and I can go ahead and submit this as well to send the text message. Also on a sidebar, a function of job campaigns, you can see down here that I've got to cancel all selected job and remove them from the job schedule. So this opportunity is here if I was sending, of course, a different type of message. Say I was closing the office due to bad weather and I needed to cancel all the jobs off for the day. This would actually automatically cancel those jobs off of the schedule for the day I'd selected. So sidebar on that, but this is how you are going to build any templates for the group type customer job campaign, and it can be in the format of an email or a text template. Thank you.